Hi there, it's Mike here from Smart Life AV, and today we're taking a closer look at the Blustream HMXL44CS-KIT. Now, Blustream are an Australian manufacturer of video distribution devices. One of the types of products that they make are video matrices. So here is the HMXL44CS-KIT. This is the 4x4 video matrix in a slim 1U chassis. It has a LCD display on the front and a nice gloss black finish. It comes with rack ears in the box for mounting inside racks, and around the back we have multiple ports. So on this side you can see we've got ports for connecting video devices via HDMI. We've got HD base T outputs, so this is network cable outputs that will send the video over CAT cable, and then we have additional ports for control such as infrared, RS232, and audio breakout to break out the audio from the stream. So the HMXL44CS-KIT is a great entry-level quality video distribution product. There are manufacturers who make very cheap video distribution products, but they are definitely not as reliable. Video distribution is probably one of the hardest things in the AV industry to get right. So it's always important to use a reputable brand and a reputable manufacturer of equipment. In addition to the matrix, you get 4 receivers in the box. So at the end of the CAT cable, the network cable, a receiver is used to convert the signal back to HDMI, which can then connect to your video display, such as a projector or a TV. And some of these receivers have additional features. So this one can take the audio output from the stream and break it out. And it can also control the TV using infrared or RS232. The great thing about this receiver is it actually powers from the matrix. It sends power to the receiver, so you don't actually have to put a plug socket at the TV end for this receiver. So saves you a plug socket, which is brilliant. Now, video matrices differ in video quality. This matrix uses something called CSC compression, which is color space compression. So it compresses the colors and then it sends a stream down that cable. So it's still maintaining as much detail as possible from the video stream. It outputs at a maximum of 4K at 60 frames per second with a 444 color space. And that's the quality of the video you get with this product. So where would we use these? Well, basically in a small property where you have no more than 4 TVs, a maximum of 4 TVs and 4 devices, we'll typically connect maybe 2 satellite boxes to it. So SkyQ Silver and a SkyQ Mini, maybe the CCTV recorder, and then a media player like an Apple TV or an NVIDIA Shield. So that's what we'd use video distribution for. And then you'd control these matrices using, say, remote controls from our home automation system. So, yeah, with the Blustream, they offer a nice mobile app. So if you didn't want a home automation system, you could use the app to change whatever output you want to watch or the input you want to watch on the matrix. But if you do have an automation system such as Crestron Home, which we offer, then you could easily control the matrix using the Crestron remote control or any other system, because it's widely compatible with most major platforms on the market. So there's a little insight into the Blustream video matrix. They are available in different chassis sizes and inputs and output configurations. So it doesn't really matter how big your system is or needs to be, but we can choose the right product for the job. So if you have any projects coming up where you would require video distribution, then feel free to get in touch via the normal means: phone, email, website, or via social at Smart Life AV. Thank you for watching.